In this line of code, we're asked what is the output observed when the following method gets called. Our method is public static error. We are passed in a numerator, and then we have a denominator initialized and declared here. The denominator is equal to 0. So whatever we pass in as our numerator, when we fall into this try statement, we'll never execute because we'll always be dividing by a denominator, and we cannot divide by a denominator, so we will not be in our try statement. This means we're going to have to go into our catch statement. However, our catch statement is a catch for a null pointer exception E. And only if we have a null pointer exception will we be in this catch. Well, we never have a null pointer exception, and we are never going to execute this line of code. And the reason why we're never going to be in this catch or execute this line of code is because, let's look at this catch closely. It only catches null pointer exceptions. However, when we divide by 0, we don't get a null pointer exception. We get a java.lang.arithmetic exception. So we're going to be looking for arithmetic exception, and this is because we are dividing by 0. So if we wanted this catch to work, instead of passing in a null pointer exception, we should be passing in a arithmetic exception, and that is the error with this code. And that is the output for this code. When we would try to run it, we would get this error in our compiler.